Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you actually enjoyed checking the weather on your iPhone? Probably never, right? Because most weather apps are just numbers, icons, and boring screens. Well, today I want to show you a weather app that completely changed that experience. It is called Not Boring Weather. And trust me, once you try it, you'll never look at the forecast the same way again. So what makes this app so special? First, it is all about the visuals. Not Boring Weather turns simple weather data into a full own 3D experience. You don't just see the weather, you feel it. When it's raining, you can literally, see the droplets on your screen. When it's windy, you see the movement and the atmosphere react. Even moon phases and temperature changes are beautifully animated. And here's what is impressive. It is powered by some of the best weather sources out there, AccuWeather and Apple Weather. So you're not only getting a fun experience, but also really accurate up to the minute forecasts. You can check things like temperature shifts, air quality, pollen levels, humidity, visibility, and even minute by minute rain predictions. So you will know exactly when that downpour starts. But that's not all. The app also lets you customize the look. You can change the app icon and different skins, set up widgets for your home or lock screen, and there is even a fun little mini game built inside. It is free to download and try, and if you want to unlock all skins or more detailed data, you can upgrade, but even the free version feels great to use. So if you're tired of boring weather apps, give Not Boring Weather a try. I've added the link in the description or comments below. Download it today and make checking the weather something you actually look forward to.